Spring is around the corner, and you know what that means. It means the sales are here. Yes, yes, yes. Get some good quality clothes at a fraction of the price, and that's what I did. I shopped at EVEREVE, and I'll tell you what, I've got 3 items that are on sale. I mean, they're not fantastic sales like I would like, but yet they are on sale. The stores are starting to clear out their inventory for the spring. Actually, they have been. But there are a couple items that I just wanted to check out before they go out of my size. So I thought, let's pick them up, try them on, share them with you guys, see what you think. So let's get started. The first item is this asymmetrical top. This is so buttery soft. I wish you guys could feel this. It is soft as can be. This is they call it a white, but it's almost like, it's not a bright white. It's almost like a cream white, but it is so soft. I am wearing a size small. The sleeves are more of a dolman sleeve, and then they have the seam on the outside, which I like that added detail. It is so soft, ladies, so soft. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say that. It's a great length, so if I pull it down, of course, I'm not gonna wear it like that, kind of bunch it up here. Asymmetrical, like I said, so you can wear it off the shoulder, the back. Gives a little sexiness to it for those date nights, or you could wear it up higher. So you've got that option. I love the detail on this. So this was actually regular price. It's expensive, so this is not a budget video this time. This is premium clothing on sale. It is regular $97, on sale for $87. But if you're not ready to spend that, but you like the top, watch the sales on EVEREVE. Start a wish list. Watch for something to go on sale and then snatch it up, as long as it doesn't sell out of your price, out of your size. How cute is this? The sleeves are long, which I like. Love the cuff on it. Just cute. I mean, it's not real heavy, so it will take me into spring, and it's a nice light color. Right, a couple more items. I don't know, another cream color, surprise, surprise. You guys have been following me know that I love my light colors and more of the darker colors, but I couldn't resist this top. I love this cowl neck. This is by Sweaty Betty. It has the drop shoulder. The arms are a little snug, but they're not like tight, like they're gonna keep you warm if you're out walking. The drawstring, I'll give you a closer look in a minute. It is longer in the back, which I love that. I like the hem on it. The pockets. Covers that booty when I wear leggings and I go out for a walk. The other thing is you can tighten this just a little bit to keep your neck. I love my neck to be warm. I wear a scarf all the time when I'm out, so this way I won't need one. This fits pretty nice. That is, and you could tie it. I like that. It also has thumb holes, which I like because I like to keep my hands warm. What else can I show you? I don't know what else to tell you. It's soft. It's so soft. It's not very thick. It is not thin. It is a really good, kind of like a medium weight. I love this. This is, you can dress it up. You could dress it down. But it's expensive. Yeah. And it's on sale, but it's expensive. I didn't write down the full price, but I wrote down the sale price. It's $124. I know. I hear you. But the quality, it is machine washable. Also, it is made out of 45% recycled cotton. That's nice. Machine washable. I will get a lot of wear out of this. A lot of wear. So price per wear, I think it's gonna be a home run for me. Let me show it to you again, a little bit close up. Love the color, like the long sleeves. What can I say? You can dress it up, dress it down. Like I said, I have heels on. I have jeans and heels. These are my jeans from Walmart from Sophia Vergara, and I think they were like 22 or 29.50. And if I can find the link, I'm sure I can, I will put the link below. Also, let's see, I'll put the video up here because I just posted that I think about a week ago, and you can see the budget priced items that I bought. So I went from budget to pricey, but I love EVEREVE's items, but I'm always looking for a sale, even if it's a small sale. All right, so with this, I received a pair of Sweaty Betty pants. Unfortunately, they do not fit this girl, and these are a size medium. These are, I was gonna put them on, I tried them on a second time. I said I'm gonna show them to you, but the look was not something you wanna put out there. So I was just like, there is no way. So I'm going to exchange these for a large. They are a flare, and what's really nice about these is they are these are a 32-inch kick flare. So they're made for walking. You could dress them up or you could dress them casual. You could wear some gym shoes, go out for a walk. You could put them on with your heels and a cute sweatshirt, sweater, whatever, and you're dressed up. They are, let's see, they are thinner, but they're made out of the wicking material. I wish you guys could feel these. They are the moisture wicking 4-way stretch. They feel so good on, and when you put them on, it's almost like you have a pair of dress pants on, but without, I don't know what I want to say. You know, they look dressed up with heels. They look casual. If you put just a sweatshirt and a pair of gym shoes on, they're, you know, they look like joggers. They have a drawstring here, which this girl does not need a drawstring. I actually needed some more stretch in these. These are so nice. They're on sale for $106. Yikes, I know, but they are multi-purpose. So these I would get a lot of wear out of. And they have a pocket back here with a zipper, like for your phone or keys back here. Nope, no phone's gonna fit back there. It's gonna have to be your keys or something. But they are, and like I said, they're thin. They are thin, but they are so nice. I wish I could have put them on and showed them to you, but all right, let's see. I have one more item, and we'll see. We'll see. When I go walking, I am not going to be missed. You know how a lot of people wear dark colored clothing? A lot of them is black or dark. Well, this girl's going to be seen. Oh, I don't know about this color. Also comes in pink. This is really nice jacket, but it is very pricey and it is on sale. But let me tell you about it. This is by Save the Duck. So as you can tell by the name, this is made out of 100% animal-free alternative down material. So it's warm. It's warm. I am wearing a size medium. It is really nice. Mike wants me to keep it. I'm like, well, it is, I will not get hit by a car, let's just say. Unless somebody is like, what is that girl wearing? Let's see, what can I tell you about it? It is really nice. The quality is great. It has zipper pockets on the side. They are pretty deep pockets, so you could put your phone in here, your hands. Let's see, it's got a hood. The sleeves are a good length. There's elastic. What else can I tell you? Well, it's water repellent, surprise, surprise. Breathable, 100% polyester. Let's see, does it have it? I think it has, let me see if they go all the way through. Oh, that's right, has inside pockets, and they are long pockets. They're deep pockets. It's the double zipper Let's see, what else can I tell you about it? It's just really nice. I mean, this is a neon green, let me tell you. Regular $188, on sale for $169. Yeah, $169, but it is really, really nice, like really nice. It's machine washable. That's no big surprise. I don't know. Mike wants me to keep it, but I think maybe I'd rather have the pink one instead of this green, although it looks cute with my pink shirt. I don't know. What do you guys think? Oh, what I'm going to do is I'm going to watch for a better sale. But this is really, really nice. Here, I'll take it off. Although I have short sleeves on, so I need to try it on with long sleeve to make sure that fits right. It does come with a pouch, so you can roll it up, put it in the pouch for travel, which is nice. I'm kind of cold now that I took it off. Okay, so that's it. What do you guys think? Like I said, I know it's not a budget-friendly video. I'm going to keep the Sweaty Betty cowl neck. I like the asymmetrical top, but I might wait for it to go on sale a little bit more. And I would rather have this jacket in pink. It's a neon pink. So I might wait for it to go on sale a little bit more. So I'll put that on my wish list. I'm going to exchange the Sweaty Betty pants because they feel amazing and they're worth every penny to me. So that's it. So thanks for watching, everyone. Happy shopping. Look for those deals. Spring is almost here. The sales are just going to keep getting better for the fall and winter items. So until next time, thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.